Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to green screen on Google Meet. In order to use a green screen on Google Meet, you'll need to download an extension. You're watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser in the address bar at the top, search for Web Store Google and make a search from the search results displayed on the next page. Click on this first link. This will take you to a new tab in the search box at the upper left. Search for Google Meet Effects. Now on the next page, you'll be able to see the search results. Click on this extension right here, which is called Visual Effects for Google Meet. Once you click on that, you can go ahead and click on the Add to Extension button. In my case, I've already added the extension on my web browsers, so it's showing me to remove from Chrome. After you're done adding the extension, go to Meetup. Google.com in the search bar at the top, log into your Google account. If necessary, click on New Meeting and start a new meeting by clicking on one of these options over here. Let me click on this, Start an Instant Meeting option. Go ahead and start a meeting. And once you are done at their left-hand side, you should see this kind of box over here. Once a camera screen pops up, click on the box and scroll all the way down until you find the green screen feature. Once it's spotted, click on the spiritual option in order to upload your own background. Click on Upload Background right beneath and choose one of the picture that you'd like to use. Let me click on one of my picture right here and click on Open. Wait for a few seconds. Now once you're done uploading your background, click on this green screen box and you'll be able to apply the green screen feature on Google Meet. That is how it's done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us, as soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.